Mom's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something neat from India. This is Ching's Secret with their hot garlic instant noodles. This has been on the top 10 spicy list in the past. Let me look at something real quick. Add 1 noodle cake and 1 seasoning mix to the boiling water and do 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to do it for 3 minutes. I'm going to make 2 of them because they're kind of small and I want to make it look a little more beefy, I guess. So here is the noodle. Here is another noodle. And we've got 2 of the 4 sachets. It's a multi-pack, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. You can find the place. I got this from a place called Apna Bazaar. Bazaar, not Bizarre. Next to Chuck E. Cheese in Bellevue, Washington. And it's a cool place. I like Apna Bazaar. They have, I did that wrong. But yeah. I wanted to go do, come on. I'm having a sachet malfunction. Not the sachet's fault either. I'll take responsibility for the sachet malfunction. It didn't do anything wrong. And I want to congratulate India today. What a neat thing they have done. What did they do? They just landed a spacecraft on the moon. No, there weren't people in it. They landed on the moon. You go land something on the moon. Really should. I think that'd be fun. But yeah, cool stuff. Oh my god. I really screwed things up here, I think, by a bit. There we go. And then we'll go for 3 minutes. There we go. There we go. And yeah, so they launched this thing up, and it went up in the air and it landed on the moon. Sadly, the other day, and you might think I'm being facetious or sarcastic about this, but I'm not. Sadly, Russia had a similar kind of thing, I think. Crash land on the moon. That's a real setback for their space program. See, the thing is, you've got like countries and they have like good relations or bad relations with other countries. And but then you've got the scientific community. And they are kind of like, they're not as invested in that, I guess. They're more interested in science and discovery and things like that. So, yeah. Wow, this might have been the wrong thing to do. It's very soupy. Why is it so soupy? I don't think it's supposed to be soupy. I'm confused now. I used 250 mils of water, and it's supposed to be, no, per block. And this is 2 blocks, so I used 500, right? I was expecting this to be more gravy-like. Let me look at the image. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a little on the fence about this one. But we'll let it go for another minute and see what happens at the end. It's hot garlic. Well, how could we go wrong? But yeah, when I was a kid, when the space shuttle was, early 80s, my mom would call up this 900 number. Remember 900 numbers? Basically, the toll number. And what would happen was you'd call this number and you could listen to Mission Control. And a couple of kids from the neighborhood would come over and we would listen to that. And it was rad. It was super cool stuff. I don't know, people just kind of got bored with it. Oh, you've seen one lunch, you've seen them all. I don't know, I still think it's rad. And my mom was a stamp collector, and she got this special thing. So there were these big folios, like folders, and they put these expensive stamps, like a $10 US Eagle stamp on them. They had like what's called a first day cover. So it's like the first time, it's like a commemorative. Anyways, the commemorative was for a Challenger mission. And so they filled like some kind of container in the payload bay with all these envelopes. And they were the post office in Cape Canaveral canceled them, and blah 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 blah. And so we've got a envelope that went up in the Challenger. So that's pretty cool. It's our Noodle. Noodle's good. Getting some heat. There's our broth. Very red. Cheers. It's spicy. It's not the way... I swear, when I had it the first time, completely different packaging design. It was like a red package. Now it's like they've kind of standardized their packaging. This isn't going to fit in here, is it? Is it going to fit in here? Do I want to use either of these bowls? I'm looking at that and I'm like, nah, I don't want to use this for that. I really don't have any like Indian bowls, you know what I mean? It's like what's a good bowl for a variety from India? It's a tricky one. I could use this one. How do I use this? I'll use that. Boom, done. Oh, I could use that one. Now I'm in an impasse. I'm going to use this one. I think this is the right choice. I hope I'm correct on this. So let's pour this in. If I'm not, I will actually take it out and put it... Oh, that's fine. Yeah, this just doesn't seem like what it used to be. Huh. So my loving wife, we watched a show last night. It was really good. Actually, we didn't watch a show. We watched a 6-part series called Painkiller, all about the advent and insanity caused by, what do you call it? Got some elephant garlic right there. By OxyContin. And it was good. And what was weird is my wife pointed out, what's that guy's name? The guy who did Ferris Bueller's Day Off? I'm like, what? And the guy playing the CEO of Purdue Pharmaceutical, company that made and probably still makes OxyContin. Although it sounds like they had to sell the company. Anyway, it was played by Matthew Broderick, who was, but they like made him look old. I don't know, maybe he does look like that now. That was weird. Like, no. And then I like listened to his voice. I'm like, oh my God, it is him. I'm going to see what happens when I torch this. Okay. It didn't caramelize it. It did something to it. Crushed red pepper? Maybe I'll do a background that kind of looks outer spacey. Color offset for some green. And a little bit of seed. Yeah. Interesting. It's good. Got that one I had the other day though. The 5 stars. My new favorite Indian variety. That also came from Apna Bazaar. I'm just gonna let it go. Do it to it, yo. Well, that's it for this one. That's funny. Oh, I gotta do this. It's not it for this one, actually. Turn off. Because I was planning on, I totally spaced my egg. And honestly, I think the egg will be an apt companion to this variety. Let's shuffle our now, like, burnt looking garlic. Ow! Good. Some garlic. Ooh. Sorry. Wow. Garlicky garlic. Very garlicky. Yeah. I was like, I swear this one would come out more. Whoa. No, I made the plan. Come on, egg. There you go. The egg was resisting. Mustn't resist, egg. There we go. Whoa. Go. Wow, kid startled me. Okay, let's have a couple more seconds of rotato, and then I'll show you what's coming up on the next episode. Alright, well once again, congratulations to the people of India for such a monumental achievement to science, to the wonder of the universe. The next episode will contain a review and cooking of this. This is Indomie mie instan hypabis mie goreng kebab rendang Turkish kebab. Turkish. So that'll be on the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and goodbye.